What's going on, everyone? Preston over at Easy Auto Spa. I've got one of our clients here, Jason. We just wrapped up working on his brand new Sequoia and his newer Lexus here, doing some G-Technic ceramic coatings on it. Jason actually found us through the Obsessed Garage group on Facebook. We had actually fixed a dent on his son's car for him prior to having him bring us his cars for ceramic coating here. Jason, how do you kind of find yourself kind of following the Obsessed Garage movement? How do you kind of get to where you know ceramic coatings and kind of like to install them yourself whenever you have time for it?
Certainly. So during the pandemic, like everybody, I went from being in the office to being locked at the house. And I found Obsessed Garage through Facebook, and it really spoke to me because I'm an OCD person. So I learned how to properly wash a car, maintain a car, and then ceramically coat. I do G-Technique at my house. I got roof-base polishers, but for these vehicles, as you can see, they're really big and they needed a lot of time. So I connected with Matt with Easy Dent. They took a dent out of my son's car. I saw the shop, I was impressed, got a quote on the two vehicles and brought them in. And I can say they turned out fantastic. Really nice.
Well, I appreciate you trusting us with these. They're an absolute pleasure to work on. The new Sequoia is real sharp. If you haven't seen one on the road already, go check it out. And it's always a pleasure working on a nice GX here.
Absolutely.
Too. We're a big Toyota and Lexus shop, but anytime we can allow somebody to trust us with their vehicles, it's a big win for us. We really appreciate you trusting us with these.
I'll be back.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Preston.
Absolutely.